little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a 3D house.
Yay!
It's going to look so cool. Are you ready to start? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get drawing. First, let's start by drawing the roof of our house. We're going to draw a parallelogram and triangle on top. It's like a big hat for our house. Great! Now let's draw the walls. From the bottom corners of the roof, draw 3 with straight lines going down. Then, connect them at the bottom to make 2 rectangle shapes. Awesome! Every house needs a door, right? Let's draw a rectangle in the middle for the door, so we can walk right in. Now, let's give our house some nice big windows. On one side of the wall, let's draw 2 square windows.
La da 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 dee.
Next, let's add 2 more windows above the door. This will give the house a bright and happy look. Whoa! Our house is really starting to look 3D and awesome. Before we finish, let's go over all of our lines to make them bold and sharp. This will help our house really stand out and look super cool. Look at our 3D house. Doesn't it look great? Now it's time for the best part, coloring. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our house bright and colorful. Let's start with red color.
Wow!
Next, let's use orange color. Now, let's use yellow color. Time for green color. Now let's add blue color.
Wow!
And finally, we'll use purple color. Whoa! Look at our amazing and colorful 3D house. You did such a fantastic job today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to keep practicing and show your artwork to your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.